Hello there, welcome to Ethio-Hahu tutorial. Today I'm going to do exercise on exponential function. If the x root of 4x times the x root of 1 over x is equal to 2, find x. To solve this, the x root of 4x is equal to 4x raised to 1 over x. The x root of 1 over x is equal to 1 over x raised to 1 over x. Therefore, the x root of 4x times the x root of 1 over x is equal to 2. This implies the x root of 4x is 4x raised to 1 over x times 1 over x raised to 1 over x is equal to 2. This simply 4x times 1 over x the whole raised to 1 over x is equal to 2. This implies x goes with x. We are left with 4. The power of 1 over x is equal to 2. And this implies 4 raised to 1 over x is to the power of 2 raised to 1 over x is equal to 2. And this implies 2 to the power of 2 over x is equal to 2, because a to the power of x raised to y is equal to simply a to the power of x times y. And this implies 2 to the power of 2 over x is equal to 2 to the power of 1. This implies, since they have same base, 2 over x is equal to 1, because a to the power of x is equal to a to the power of y means necessarily x is equal to y. And this implies x is equal to 2. This is all about today. Thank you.